Welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the best vlogging cameras to buy in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner starting your YouTube journey, a travel vlogger, or a professional content creator, we've carefully selected the top 5 best vlogging cameras that deliver outstanding video quality, reliable autofocus, excellent stabilization, and incredible value for every budget. Stay with us until the end to discover which camera deserves the #1 spot. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to subscribe to Best Reviews, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. And if you want to learn more or check the latest prices, you'll find the links to all the cameras featured in this video in the description box below. Number 5. Canon PowerShot V10. The Canon PowerShot V10 is the perfect choice for creators who want a compact, beginner-friendly vlogging camera that fits right in their pocket. It features a 15.2 megapixel 1-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensor, a fixed 19mm f2.8 ultra-wide lens, and records 4K video at up to 30 frames per second with full HD at 60 frames per second. The flip-up 2-inch touchscreen, built-in stereo microphones, microphone input, and USB-C charging make it incredibly convenient for everyday content creation. Plus, its built-in stand and improved image stabilization let you shoot smooth, hands-free videos almost anywhere. Number 4. Xtra Muse. Coming in at number 4 is the Xtra Muse, a feature-packed pocket camera built for creators who demand professional-looking footage. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at an incredible 120 frames per second, while the 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps every shot silky smooth, even when you're walking, running, or filming action scenes. It also includes a 2-inch touchscreen, 10-bit X-Log color, fast autofocus, and intelligent face and object tracking, making it an excellent option for cinematic travel videos, lifestyle content, and social media creators. Number 3. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. At number 3 is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, one of the most popular vlogging cameras on the market. It combines a 1-inch CMOS sensor with stunning 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, delivering exceptional image quality in both daylight and low-light conditions. Its 3-axis mechanical stabilization produces incredibly smooth footage, while the rotating 2-inch touchscreen, lightning-fast autofocus, and Active Track 6.0 keep you perfectly framed wherever you move. Add in 10-bit D-Log M color, and you've got a camera that's ideal for creators who want professional results without carrying bulky equipment. Number 2. DJI Osmo Nano. Taking the runner-up spot is the DJI Osmo Nano, a tiny wearable camera that's surprisingly powerful. Featuring a 1/1.3-inch sensor, it records crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second with an immersive 143-degree ultra-wide field of view. Its magnetic, lightweight design makes it perfect for hands-free POV shooting, while 10-bit D-Log M color, support for dual wireless microphones, and up to 200 minutes of battery life ensure you can capture long adventures without interruption. With 128 gigabytes of built-in storage plus expandable memory, it's ready to record right out of the box. Number 1. Insta360 Luna Ultra. Taking the number 1 spot is the incredible Insta360 Luna Ultra, a true powerhouse built for serious content creators. It features an advanced dual Leica lens system with a 1-inch main sensor and a dedicated telephoto lens, allowing you to shoot breathtaking 8K HDR video with Dolby Vision and up to 12 times zoom. With 14 stops of dynamic range, outstanding low-light performance, Leica color science, and AI-powered image processing, every shot looks cinematic and rich in detail. The detachable 2-inch OLED touchscreen gives you greater shooting flexibility, while intelligent portrait video features make it the ultimate premium camera for YouTube, travel, and professional quality vlogging.